Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G04, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for whatever you want to capture, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have a flash along with the pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will just disappear. There we go. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. So I'm going to open it up. Let's just go back to the main page right here. So once you're in the Photos tab, you will see a bunch of different albums. So you have camera, screenshots, movies, downloads. Obviously your screenshots will be located in the screenshot folder, and because it's the newest screenshot, it is visible right here at the front, but if you want to come back to them later on, you can also tap on the text and this will show you all the screenshots. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.